Daddy. Daddy. Daddy.
Oh, no, I'm not your daddy.
Daddy. Daddy.
This is DinoStar.
Daddy.
And DinoStar has brilliant colors and is really cute. Great to see the...
Ah.
What?
Daddy.
No, that's not Daddy either.
Daddy?
No, I'm not Daddy. No. What's really cool about them, do you know you're ticklish, aren't you?
Ticklish?
Yeah, you're ticklish.
Daddy ticklish.
Oh, stop. Oh, get you.
Oh, Daddy, stop.
Oh, that's pretty cool. Yeah, and then there's another feature of the DinoStar,
Oh, yeah?
and that is that you can take these little dragon wings with Velcro on them
Ah.
and put them on the back.
Dragon. Oh, dragon. Yeah.
Dragon breath.